Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at a Second World War air raid shelter. I believe this was built for the factory workers of Plaxtons, which was a coach builders and still is a coach builders to this day. Come with me and let's take a quick look around.
So, on the outbreak of World War II in 1939, coach production halted and the factory was turned into a munitions factory under the control of Ministry of Aircraft Production. Many records from the early years were lost when an incendiary bomb set fire to the Seaman Road factory in 1943, causing much damage. As the factory was under the control of Ministry of Works, production continued in the open air, whilst a replacement was constructed.
So here we are looking on the outside of the air raid shelter. Very good condition. Quite a long one. Emergency exit concreted up. Let's go take a look inside. Arch entranceway going in. And there we go. Conditions not too bad in here. There's the original ladder. Going up to the escape exit there. That bit's partitioned off there, so I wonder if it's a little toilet or something like that, toilet area. During those long air raids. Who's put that there? Did I walk past that when I walked in? Very strange. Well, there we go. That's the inside of it. As I say, owned by Plaxtons. Brick lined coming into the entranceway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.